Hello, and today I will be talking to you about amphitheaters, specifically Roman amphitheaters. There are many different types of entertainment that is enjoyed today. If you've ever been at a concert or a movie theater, or even at a football stadium, you have experienced what a Roman theater is. The main contribution to these magnificent buildings is, oddly enough, concrete. The Romans actually created this by combining lime mortar, volcanic sand, water, and small stones, which would allow them to make concrete. This allowed for designing massive architecture such as amphitheaters. Amphitheaters are derived from the Greek theaters. Some examples of those theaters are the Great Theater of Epidaurus and Odeon of Herodotus. These theaters are what helped the Romans create the double theaters, also known as amphitheaters. Throughout the time that the Romans had control over the city, they were able to build over 200 amphitheaters, most of which were destroyed due to war and nature. But the ones left standing today include the Amphitheater of Pompeii, built within the ground, and the Colosseum, which is the world's largest amphitheater. The Colosseum was built by Emperor Vespasian as a gift to the Roman people. Today, the Colosseum is one of Rome's most popular tourist attraction. Its purpose was to give the people different forms of entertainment. The entertainment that was put on at the Colosseum was mostly gruesome. The main events were gladiator combats and animal hunts. They mostly involved slaves, wild animals, or strong gladiators showing off their dominance. The shows were always different and would at most times take a couple of days to unfold. This type of entertainment would eventually be banned, and therefore the Colosseum wouldn't have much use to it. It was seen to hold mock battles and even give Romans an advantage over enemy attackers. The design of the Colosseum allowed for the slaves or animals or gladiators to enter and be stored underneath the stage, in which they would duel in front of a large mass of people to entertain them, which you can see here with the stage, and underneath are the storage places for those slaves or wild animals to stay. Today, Roman amphitheaters have led the legacy of entertainment, as well as the legacy of where events are held. That's why concerts, movie theaters, and stadiums all hold a small part of what an amphitheater is like. So next time you're sitting at the theaters with your friends or significant other, remember that the Romans were the ones who helped with the inspiration of that building by using concrete to create the historical amphitheaters.